Hello friend, now welcome to my YouTube video lecture. This is my lecture on Notepad of Swami Vivekananda Institute online classes. Today I will tell you how to work on Notepad. Okay friend, I am opening my Notepad file which name is K. This is a header file. Okay, we have go to the printer option. Okay, today we will study about the printer. What is printer and how can we print a page? Okay friend, in previous lecture we are talked about the page setup. Okay friend, in page setup we are set the page for printing. Okay friend, so look at that, there are lots of option we have in page setup, and we go further in print option. Okay, just look at that. In general there are many options. Okay friend, in print option, just look at that. This is add printer, this is brother DCP116C, this is a fax option. What kind of technology we have, so all those options are come in our printing option, because the lots of technology in printing option. For example, I have my HP DeskJet 2520 series printer which is using for printing. Okay friend, and there are lots of options for Microsoft XPS document writer. In this, by using this XPS document writer you have permission to any kind of program or software you have to print. Okay friend, and this is a Nitro PDF that this is previously installed by me. So whenever we are doing printing we have to use HP DeskJet 2520 series. Okay. So look at that, this is our select printer option. So you have to select your particular printer which are installed in your computer. Okay friend, so you have to select your printer, and after this you have to go on status. Okay friend, status means your printer whatever you are selected is offline, it's not online. When you connect your printer to your computer, then it will showing you online. Okay, or it will showing you your printer is ready to print. Okay friend, we go for the look at that, this is a preference option. Okay friend, in a preference option firstly you have to layout. I previously told you what is the layout. Okay friend. Look at that, this is the orientation which can there are two types of orientation in a printing preference. Okay friend, just look at that, this is a portrait. Okay friend, and this is a landscape. When we select the landscape it will change the page size. Okay, it will move to right. Okay friend, look at that, the portrait is straight page. Okay, and when we select the landscape it means it will come in landscape form. Okay friend, and the print will come in landscape form. Okay friend, page order. It will give you a permission to printer, it will print from front to back. Okay, if we select front to back then it will print front to back. Okay, and if we select front back to front then it will print back to front. Okay friend, just look at that, another format, page format. Okay, page per sheet, how many sheet you want to in one page. If I select 2, then look at that here, first page, second page, the two pages are come in one page. Okay friend, there the two page are totally different, but it will print in only one page. Okay friend, if I select the, for example, if I select 6 pages, the 6 pages will print out. Sorry, I selected 4 page, then 4 pages will print out in one page. Okay friend, and I selected a landscape option. If I select portrait option, then it will come in portrait form. Okay, draw border means you have to draw border between your pages. Okay, just look at that, this is a border showing by when I select the draw border option, then it will show they are totally different pages. Okay, that's why the border option we have to give. Okay, just look at that here, advanced option will also we have in HP DeskJet 2520 series advanced option. Okay friend, just look at that, if I double click here then all the options are invisible. Okay friend, just double click again and go to paper output option. So which kind of paper you have to print out? Okay friend, so look at that. Here there are lots of pages and every page have a different size. Okay friend, generally we are using A4 size paper. Look at that, there are many options of paper. Okay, so every paper have a different size. Okay friend, just look at that, A4 size paper. We are using generally home user printer A4 size pages for printing our any document. Okay friend, so select a A4 size paper. Okay, go to the paper sheet layout, write down. Okay friend, which kind of paper sheet layout do you want? Okay friend, down then right, left then down, down then left. Okay friend, so the lots of feature in the printer features. Okay, print grayscale, it means you want to off the grayscale, then printer will automatically print the color print. Okay, high quality grayscale means it will give you a high quality of color printing. Okay, and if we select the black ink only, then it will give a black and white print only. Okay, resolution, what is resolution? There are the lots of resolution. For example, if you select the color input black render 300 into 300 dpi, dpi means dot per inch, or a printer give you a print and how many dots you have to choose from resolution option. Resolution option give you a permission to select your dpi. Dpi, if you have a lots of dpi, then it will give a clarity of your photo. Okay, which is printed to your printer. Okay friend, and normal mode, in normal mode color input black render 300 into 300 dpi, output, and second option is output black color automatic plain. But there are lots of option. Whatever you are selected, then your printer will give a those kind of printout paper. Okay, HP real life technology on off, it's a new feature that's given by HP. Okay, borderless printing, it will give you a borderless printing. Okay, just look at that, this is a borderless printing option. Okay, print all pages. Okay friend, here you have an option to print your pages in odd form or even form. Okay friend, what is odd? I will show you what is odd option. Print in maximum dpi. Here you have a selection option, print in maximum dpi. So what is the range of your printer of dpi? So what is the highest range of your printer dpi? It will select automatically whenever you are selected yes option. Okay, and I will show you how to print pages to print. So how to print odd page and even page. Okay, if we select odd page means 1 3 5 7 9. Okay friend, and when we select the even print, so even print is 2 4 6 page number. I am telling you page number. Okay friend, suppose that you have a 10 pages. Okay friend, then what is the odd number in 10 pages? 1 3 5 7 9. Okay, and what's the even number in your 10 pages, your total 10 pages? Even number is 2 4 6 8 10. Okay friend, so you have to select whatever you want in border to print option. Okay friend, we have to cancel from here, and find printer will give you permission to find your printer. Okay friend, third online, third the network. If your printer is connected to your internet network, then you have permission to select your printer and print from anywhere because your printer is selected. Okay, so we have lots of option here. Page range, how many pages do you want to print? For example, if you print all the pages, then you select all. Okay, selection means it will give you permission to, for example, you have to 2 to 10 pages. for printing 0 to 10 page printing, and if you want to only print 5 to 10 pages, 5 number page to 10 number page, then you have to choose here option 5 number page to 10 number of page. Okay, number of copies give you a copies. For example, if you go to the printer shop and you give a paper to printing, or and you have to say print the 2 copies of this document. Okay, then the shopkeeper will give you a 2 copies of this of your single document. Okay, so here the same option you have, how many copies do you want of your document. If we want select 1, then it will give a single page of your document. If we select 2, then it will give a 2 page of your single document. Okay friend, and you have to select print. Firstly you have to select apply, then all the condition whatever you are selected, that will apply to your page. Okay, and select the print option. This will give you a printed output. Okay, how many function you are selected in, it will give a same. Okay, and it will print out and give you output. Okay friend, that's all for today. Please keep watch my video and subscribe my video. Thank you very much. Today I am very happy because today is the 15th of August. So friend, bye bye, we will meet here in next class.